Hey everyone, we are in Galesburg, Michigan, and we are at a thrift store that does the community good. So I'm gonna go in here and see if there's anything in here that can work in my van for some projects that I'm trying to get done. And I donate to this place a lot just because I know that it helps here in the community. So let's go in and check it out. Let's see if I can find anything. Oh, look at it. Oh, that is so beautiful. Ooh, record. An old record player. And look at this puzzle table.
Isn't that gorgeous?
I love this. This is so cool. My dad actually has a puzzle table. Then they have clothing.
She has one of the most beautiful display houses I've ever seen. Literally, especially at Christmas, she has like a cross.
Need a wetsuit?
In Halloween,
Look at that.
same thing. Your Christmas display is
We
awesome.
had kids coming by early and asking us for different art. We said, different art.
Yeah.
I give out candy because they're stopping by.
They also do a Facebook Live to sell products. So I will link that in the description. Check that out. And they just recently acquired this part. So they are still, look at it. That might need to go to my van. It's a toolbox. Oh my! Let's see. Look at that. It looks like it's hardly been used. There's a little dirt there, but it could be cleaned. Look at. Oh, I'm liking that. Look at that. More storage. And it is plastic, so it's lightweight. So I don't have to worry about it. Ooh. All right. I think this is coming home with me. Look at it. We can fold this down. Yep. All right, I think that one's coming home. And let me tell you, this stuff, look at this. Different walkers. If your insurance won't pay for some of this stuff, I have gotten quite a few different medical supplies here. Oh, look at that. It's a solar light. That is so cool. It's a chandelier. Aww. All right. And then they have some kids sections. Yeah, they just acquired this side, so they are still getting it organized. But yeah, look at all this. You've got shoes, you've got clothing, you've got furniture, you've got lamps, picture frames, houseware stuff. DVDs. Oh, and it looks like they're getting ready to donate some more stuff. This place is very busy helping out people in the community. All right, let's go by this. And let's see if we can find the owner and we can talk.
Our programs, we can discuss all of our programs that we do.
Mm-hmm.
Come shop with us. This is where your money goes to.
Yep. All right, so I bought the toolbox and it's in my dad's car. And now I have found the executor and we are gonna have a conversation. She is so full of it, you guys will love her. But she can explain better of what she does. So let's meet Jackie.
Hi guys, how are you?
So what all different community outreaches do you guys are involved in?
The store, we started out, we assist 3 families with monetary donations every month. We service the homeless in Meadow Creek and Kalamazoo. We also stock First Steps Baby Pantry with their clothing and diapers and any baby products, and those are then given away from the church. 2 fallen but not forgotten militaries, 1 stationed right here in Kalamazoo. And our baby is, we just opened up our senior food pantry. So we actually donate blessing boxes to 115 families around town.
Awesome.
Yes.
And when there's a crisis.
So those are our disaster reliefs. So if there is a fire, if there is a tornado, if there is a domestic violence case or someone is completing one of their programs, they come in here and we give them all essentials that they need to get started.
Awesome.
So during the tornado, Pavilion Estates was hit very hard with the tornado.
Yes.
And we donated over $2,800 worth of product to them with baby diapers, formula, clothing, kids' toys, bedding, anything that they needed along with food. So, yeah.
And now you guys do this interesting thing that I think is called Facebook Live, and you tell us more about that.
So when items are coming in, we set up a table and we go live and we sell the items, brand new items or gently used items at garage sale prices on our Facebook Lives, and you can pick them right up here in the store.
Okay, and what's the times?
So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we have mid-afternoon lives from 2 to 3:30. And then Saturdays and Sundays and Mondays, we go live at 6:30. So 6:30 to 8:30. And you can find that on our Facebook page, which is Operation Heaven Sent.
And I will also too link that down in my description, and I will link your webpage, all your information down below in my descriptions.
Yes.
So guys, please, if you see this, and I know that most of you guys watching me are not in Galesburg, and some of you aren't even in Michigan. But if you share this, it may reach somebody that may need some help, or maybe somebody that needs to donate stuff. If you are sick of donating stuff and you don't know where it goes to, come and donate the stuff here. You know where it's going. And I've seen it firsthand. I've seen the trailer over in the Pavilion Estates. And I know friends that have been blessed by that. So give a big shout out to Jackie.
Hi guys.
And thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button. If you're not following me, check out my other videos.